And that's a cool feature. It doesn't sound all that science fiction-y from the standpoint of it kind of feels like what we were promised with a lot of internet stuff, 10, 15, 20 years ago. But these little practical things that are sneaking into all of our daily tools, right? All the tools now have a little bit AI this or a little bit AI that. I mean, that's the way this stuff becomes, integrated in our lives, whether we choose to do it or not, which is one of the reasons why I think we have to keep digging on this and knowing more about it as a society and culture, because this stuff's everywhere now.
I'll share a quick story. So I'm on the stewardship committee for our church, and we're going to do this book study. Basically, it's a 400-page book. It has 52 different essays. And in about 15 minutes today, I was able to and I tried to use Claude, and Claude said this exceeded its, it exceeded its limit, so it wouldn't do it. But ChatGPT, paid version, no problem, converted the DRM Kindle, which I bought, into a PDF that didn't have DRM, threw it in there, said, please read and analyze.